Nolan's is a restaurant that specializes in steak, seafood, and pasta. We started in 2011 and we've grown exponentially for the last 10 years. In order to be successful in the restaurant business, you have to pay attention to the details. As soon as they pull into the parking lot, what they see, what they walk into, what they sit down on, every little thing matters. The restaurant is a very greasy place. When you're making food, you're making a mess. And in our industry, cleaning and sanitizing is critical. The greasiest part of our business is, without a doubt, our kitchen floors and our equipment. The grease just kills our equipment. As the business grew, my needs grew, and it became harder and harder to keep this place clean. Kepner Equipment talked about customizing this Landa machine, locating it down in our basement, but making connections throughout and outside of the building. So my staff didn't even have to walk down to the machine. They could just push a button at the connection and start their job. In the end, it became the most simple of operations, and this hot water system allows us to easily and quickly clean up all the areas. I just couldn't believe what a difference it made, and I can get through all the little cracks and crevices. I think anytime you make an investment like this, it's only going to be successful if the person you're buying it from helps support you throughout the process. And our local Landa dealer was certainly part of that. You're buying a lot more than just a pressure washer with it. They have it set up where it becomes part of your daily routine, and you really can't do without a machine like this.